Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to another video. He moves there. I move here. He moves there. I was like, no, I'm like, yummy food. Eh, huh? And I eat more food. And I'm back. I go and I missed. And then he blundered.
Let me check.
And then that's another miss. What the heck? Stop. I'm trying to uh stop my auto. Take give me some more take. And then Mbappe goes there, blunder, miss, blunder, miss. Oh, that's good. He eats that. Now it's like inaccuracy. I'm like, hey, here's a one. And then I castle, and I go there.
Why is it lagging?
Yeah, I thought,
Three
yeah.
more days before the
Goes there, and I protect this. He goes there. Take, take, take. And I go here, attacking this. He takes. Bap. Eddie Blunder. Blunder. Look at that blunder. He pre-moved it. I'm like, what? He pre-moved that. And I took it for free. He takes. I attack it. I go there. Free. Free that because I like it. And then he goes there. I go there. He goes there attacking my pawn. I attack it and I attack him back. He takes. I move my rook there. He goes there. I take. 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 Take.
crying? Why you crying? Lagi nga yung mag-text.
And then he goes there. And then
I'm
boom.
lagging.
Discover. And then discovered attack. I take his rook. He tries to go there. Go back.
I said,
There. I take it. He captures, getting closer to the first checkmate. This steps away from the checking queen. You continue the checkmate attack. This evades the check from the rook. You could have ended the game sooner, but the win is still in your hands. This defends the attack pawn. You continue the checkmate attack. This evades the check from the pawn. You're still on the road to checkmate. This steps away from the checking queen. So you can't be like, nah. And then bam, I check him again. Check, check, check. Moved up on there. He didn't take it, but cool. So I take, go there. I check him, check him, and then I take the rook, takes. Take. So I just drove that because I already know. And then I checked him. Cause go there first. I and then I check him here. He doesn't go here, but cool. Check and checkmate. Okay, goodbye, guys.